How bad is the lawn looking? This is winter out where I am, and the lawn is absolutely trashed. It's been getting hammered with frosts. Not much rain, just cold days, cold mornings, really heavy frost. So I'll put some photos up of that. But if you get down here, you can basically see what's happened with the lawn. It's just thick, thatchy, and very dead. What I'm going to try and do, I bought some of this gear, Colour Max by Lawn Pride. We'll mix that up and see how it goes. And yeah, you can see what lawn dye looks like on heavily frost affected warm season Santa Ana. So this Colour Max gear here, as I said, application rate 24 mils per 100 square meters. I'm going to do a little bit more than that. You should mix it up with some warm water just because it might be a bit like thick. Oh yeah. Alright. This little mix. Oh yeah, that is green. It's actually pretty blue. Greeny blue. I'm thinking you're going to want to keep this off the concrete. It is staining everything. Shake it up. But when I do the edges, so I don't spray the concrete, because it's definitely going to stain the concrete. And it does say something about that in the book. I'll do a little test patch so you can see what it looks like. Oh yeah. It's definitely green. That doesn't look as bad as I thought it would. You can tell how there's unevenness because where the lawn was really white, obviously the dye disaffected differently, but that's not too bad. Alright, see what happens. Okay, that's it. I don't know. I don't like it. But I'm thinking because the lawn was so like uneven to begin with. There's white, there's brown, there's some green, it's not level. Some of it's hacked back. Some of it's still grass. I'm guessing that's what's making it look patchy. I've nearly used all of that bottle, and yeah, it's not full on green, but I mean, I don't know what I really expected. I guess it looks alright. I oversprayed onto these bricks here just to show how much it stains it. I'm guessing that won't come off that quickly. A few things I would remember is you want to make sure you use a good spray nozzle. Mine was kind of putting it out a bit too direct in the middle and you get lines, so I ended up doing it in two different directions, north, south, east, west. And using a hand pressure pump, your pressure consistencies are always different, so yeah, just keep that in mind. But hey, at the end of the day, it looks a bit greener, and that's all it's really ever going to do. I think next year I'll put some ryegrass down so I can still mow in the winter. So cool. Thanks for watching, guys, and yeah, do your best, get out there, get stuck into it, and have a nice day. Cheers. So next morning, I thought I'd try and show you the lawn without any shadows on it, because it's a bit hard to see in the daytime. It's kind of growing on me, to be perfectly honest. I don't think it's still obviously not perfect, but yeah, I tell you, it is nice to just walk past the window and see green out here instead of brown. I think I probably had my expectations were a little bit too high for it, that it was just I was thinking that it should look, I had this idea in my head that it would look really perfect, but obviously that's not going to happen, or I'm just doing it wrong. But I'm actually pretty happy with it now. Yeah, so there you go.